Today we will learn the exercise 13a. What are the learning objectives of exercise 13a? We will understand the relation between meter and centimeter. Second one is conversion of square meter into square centimeter, and then square centimeter into square meter. Okay. Next one is this is a relation between the meter and centimeter. This is a meter rule, and we see that there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So this is a meter rule, and these are the centimeters. From 3 to 4 is only 1 centimeter. Okay. So we want to learn how can we convert the meter square into centimeter square. That is our today's assignment, and we will see how can we convert 1 centimeter square into meter square and what is the relation between them. Okay, as we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, and we want to know how many centimeters are there in meter square. So what will we do? We will take square on both sides. After taking the square of 1 meter, we have the answer 1 ka square is 1 meter square is meter square, and then we will what will be the answer of 100 centimeter whole ka square? 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. Okay, as we know that this exponent is 2, and what is the meaning of exponent? That we have to multiply the number with itself 2 times. So we are multiplying 100 centimeter with 100 centimeter. Okay, when you multiply 100 with this 100, you have the answer 10,000, and when you multiply centimeter with centimeter, you have the answer centimeter square. Now we want to convert 40 meter square into centimeter squares. As we had done in the previous set, 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter squares, and if we want to calculate for 40 meter square, we will multiply 40 on both sides of this equation. When you multiply 40 with 1 meter square, you have the answer 40 meter square. Now we will multiply 40 with 10,000 centimeter squares. When you multiply 40 with 10,000, you have the answer 400,000 centimeter square. That's mean if you 40 meter square is equals to 400,000 centimeter square. As we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, but we want to know how many meters are there in 1 centimeter. So what will we do? We will divide 100 on both sides. Why we divide 100 on both sides? Because we want to know the value of meters in 1 centimeter. Okay, we have divided 100 on both sides. When you divide 1 meter with 100, you have the answer 1 over 100 meter is equals to 1 centimeter. Why 1? Because 100 divided by 100 is 1 centimeter. And as we are calculating for the square meters and square centimeters, so what will we do? We will take square on both sides, taking square on the left hand side as well taking square on the right side. As we know in mathematics, if we want to take any next step any operation in the equation, then we have to take operation on both sides of the equation. So by taking the square, we have the answer. We will multiply 1 over 100 meter 2 times. Okay, as we know that the square exponent means we have to multiply the number with itself 2 times. So we are multiplying 1 over 100 meter with 1 over 100 meter. That will be equals to 100 centimeter square. Why? Because by taking the square of 1 centimeter, we have the answer 1 centimeter square, as centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. So when you multiply the fractions, you have to multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. We are multiplying the numerator with the numerator. 1 into 1 is 1, 100 into 100 is 1 10,000, and meter into meter is meter square. That is equals to 1 centimeter square. Now we will divide 1 over 10,000. You have the answer 0.001 meter square. That's mean 1 centimeter square is equals to 0.0001 meter square. Now, there is an example we are considering. We want to know how many meter squares are there in 16 centimeter square. As we have proved in the previous that 1 centimeter square is equals to 0.0001 meter square. We want to calculate for 16, so we will multiply 16 on both sides. We have multiplied 16 on both sides. When you multiply 16 with 1 centimeter square, you have the answer 16 centimeter square. When you multiply 16 with 0.0001 meter square, you have the answer 0.0016 meter square. That's mean in 16 centimeter squares there are 0.0016 meter squares. Thank you. Have a very good day. Take care.